Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. So we have another question here on the board. The question says, something very extraordinary happened on the 6th of May 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? That's the question. What was it? What happened? It's a math puzzle and the answer is there looking at us. So it's not like this is history class. No, it's not a history class. It's rather a math puzzle. The answer is right there in the question. So shall we? What is the answer? Yeah, the question says something extraordinary happened on the 6th of May 1978. What could that be? What could that be? Okay, so let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What do you think the answer should be? What do you think the answer should be? Something very extraordinary happened on the 6th day of May 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? What was it? So that is the question. What was it? What was it? What actually happened? What actually happened? Something very extraordinary happened on the 6th of May 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? So that is the question. What do you have to say? Like I said, this is not this is not history. It is not history. It is not it's not history. Okay, the answer is there in the question. So what do you think is the answer? Something very extraordinary happened on the 6th of May 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? What was it? What was it? What was it? So let's go. We can do this, right? We can answer this. We can answer this. We can answer this. So let us go, friends. Something very extraordinary happened on the 6th of May 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? Now, this is not history. So you don't need to start checking what happened on. No, it's not history. This is math puzzle and it's right inside there. Yes, the answer is there. Like the answer is there. So let's go, friends. Let us go. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My oh my, thank you for joining. You say 12:34, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vadon, you're welcome. But then he's saying 5, 6, 7, 8. Saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, Vadon. You're welcome. Thank you for joining again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So the question is saying something very extraordinary happened on the 6th of May, 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? That is the question. What happened? What was it? So body mark is saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is body. It was numerology on acid. What is numerology, abeg? What is numerology? What is numerology? Something very extraordinary happened on the 6th of May, 1978 at 12:34 p.m. What was it? Yeah? What was it? Okay. So body is saying 12:34, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 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 Knowledge is the austeric study of numbers and the belief in divine mystical or other spiritual relationship between a number and some coinciding events. Okay. So double click to like our live stream. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So, are we good to go? Chenzi, my phone tripped off during our last live stream. That is what happened. My battery was low. I didn't know when it tripped off. I didn't know. Yeah, you're welcome. You are welcome. So something very extraordinary happened. This is where we stopped. Madon is saying my aunt was married at 8 viewers. Oh my God. I don't want to start laughing. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Married at 808 on August 8, 2008. Wow. Nice one. Okay, so let's answer this and get it done with. Let's answer this and get it done with. So this is easy. Okay, it's easy and most of you have answered it already. Most of you have answered it already. So it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 12:34. All right. Then 6th day of May. May is the 5th month. 6, 1978. So you can see that the numbers are arranged. All right. Yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the extraordinary thing. Yeah, I corrected it even with the last this thing. This is still the last question. I did not even touch it. I corrected it because Jugu made a lot of sense. There is nothing like 12:34 a.m. Yeah, rather you see 00:34 a.m. So you was right. I had to correct it. Okay, now another question. This one says, so this is still math puzzle. Now this particular question says, what two whole, okay, we've done that. There are certain men and horses. There are certain men and horses. There are certain men and horses. Okay. There are certain men and horses. In all, there are 22 heads. In all, there are 22 heads. Okay, so the question now says, and 72 feet. 22 heads and 72 feet. How many men and how many horses are there? How many men and how many horses were there? How many men and how many horses are there? So that is the question. That is the question. How many men and how many horses are there? Julie is saying 8 and 14. 8 men and 14 horses. 8 men and 14 horses. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. He said the answer. Why waste my energy telling the same? How sure are you the answer is correct? How sure are you that the answer is correct? How sure are you that the answer is correct? How sure are you that the answer is correct? Okay, see it yourself, Girls Craft says 8 men and 14 horses. And Bamboozle says, I agree. Drew is saying the answer is in the main game, the share speed. Bamboozle is saying 16 plus 56 equals 72. So if that is it, then what are you trying to say? Okay. Mona Singh says men 8 and horses 14. Since he said it's 99% sure. Oh, so you even have 1% doubt. Eh? You have 1% doubt. Okay. Nice one. You have 1% doubt. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Vadon is saying that he agreed with the answer. That is, he agree with 14 horses and 8 men. 14 horses and 8 men. They agree with 14 horses and 8 men. Okay. 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 Let's go. More answers, please. Let's go. 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 More solution. Have you more questions? More questions. Let's go. More answers. Sorry. More answers. More answers. More answers. Okay. So we can do this together. We can do this together. And this is it. This is it. There are certain men and horses. Certain men and horses. Let this be men. Okay? And let this be horses. In all, there are 22 heads. 22 heads. So we have 22 heads here. And 72 feet. So when you talk about 72 feet, that means the men, remember that men has 2 feet, right? So 2 times the number of men plus 4 times the number of horses will give us 72. So now we have 2 equations to solve. All right. Now we have 2 equations to solve. So what do? We need to substitute either the m in terms of h or h in terms of m into this equation. So from equation 1, from 1 we can say that m is 22 minus h. So we're going to substitute 22 minus h into what? Into this equation. So that is what we will do now. So to do that, we have 2m plus 4h is equal to 72. So remember that m is 22 minus h. Okay? Remember that 22, m is 22 minus h. So we have 2 brackets, 22 minus h plus 4h is equal to 72. Now 2 times 22 is 44 minus 2 times h is 2h plus 4h is 72. So if we solve further, we are going to have 44. 4h minus 2h will give you plus 2h is equal to 72. So to get the answer, we subtract 44 from both sides first. So this will remove this and we have 2h here is equal to, when 12 divides 4, we have 8. When 6 divides 4, when 12 minus 4, we have 8, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So we now divide both sides by 2. That way we have that h is what? 14. So that is why h, the number of horses, became 14. All right. Now that the number of horses are 14, remember that we are told, oh, I've cleaned it, that the head, we had 22 heads, right? Let me check the question, but I think so. So we have 22 heads here, 22 heads. So the number of heads of the men plus that of horses is 22. So we already have horse. We have 14 horses. Okay, is 22. So we are going to get m. What is m now? To get m, we just do 22 minus 14, which is 8. So we have men is 8 and horses are 14. So that is how the answer is gotten. For those of you that sincerely want to learn how that was gotten. Okay. Okay. Next question. This one will require you to think through. This will require that you think the answer through. Think. Okay. So the question says, find the 4-digit number in which, so we have, find the 4-digit number. Find the 4-digit number. Find the 4-digit number in which the first digit is 1/4, is 1/4 of the last digit. One-fourth of the last digit. The second digit is 6 times the first digit. I hope you can see that. Okay. So now, and the third digit is the second digit is the second digit plus 3. What is it? So that is the question. Find the 4-digit. This is actually easy. Let me put it that way. If you can translate these sentences into equations, you can solve them to get your answer. Find the 4-digit number in which the first digit is 1/4 of the last digit. The second digit is 6 times the first digit, and the third digit is the second digit plus 3. What is it? So that is the question. Now we have, let's go. So, let me see your answers. Let me see what you have to say. Let's go. So Bamboo is saying, okay, that's it. Lakshmi Musangi, thank you for joining us. KBIUIF, hi JJ, I'm back. You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Jugi is saying the number is 1694. John Miller is saying the number is 1694. Vadon is saying the same thing. Junior says, yeah, these lies. KB is saying, I want a copy of the book, so I get them all. I don't have a copy of any book. See? So Dilepe, you're welcome. It says it's 1694. Junior is saying 1693. Dilepe is saying 1694. Junior is saying 1694. So Dilepe, do me a favor, please. Stop repeating the same number, okay? So that it won't be seen as spamming, please. So that it won't be seen as spamming. Okay. So tell us your answer. You can as well tell us how you got your answer. Tell us your answer. Tell us how you got your answer as well. Tell us your answer and tell us how you got it as well. Tell us your answer and tell us how you got it as well. Tell us your answer and tell us how you got it. So let's go. 1694, I'm a genius. That is CNK YouTube. So what is the answer? 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 Let's go. I've got to go, JJ. All right, take care, KB. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please double click to like the live stream if you love what we are doing. Thanks so much. Okay, so it's time for me to look at the question myself and figure it out. How did you get the answer? I'm giving you the opportunity to tell us how your answer was gotten. Tell us, tell us, tell us, tell us, tell us. Find the 4-digit number in which the first digit, any number greater than 1, makes 6 times bigger than a single digit. So Abidi is saying 111. They said it's a 4-digit number. So it said that in which the first digit is 1/4 of the last one. Okay, the second digit is 6 times the first. Is 6 times the first. 1 is 1/4 of 4. Then the second digit needed to be a single digit. That's 6 times the first number. Only where possibility the first digit is wanted. Lastly, the second number. If the first digit is 1, then okay. Then the last one says the third digit is the second digit plus 3. The third digit is the second digit plus 3. Okay. My music is saying 1694 as well. Okay. Let's go. 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 More answers. Let us go. 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 Let's go. Okay. So Vadon is trying to explain how he got his answer. I wanted to see how you guys did it so that I'll be sure you did it. That is the truth. Let's go. More answers, more answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. More answers, please. I just finished solving mine. I just finished solving mine. This is actually an interesting puzzle. Seriously. Very interesting. Very interesting. Ah, hey, this kind God, another one, no, two. Let's go find the 4-digit number in which the first digit is 1/4 of the last digit. The second digit is 6 times the first digit, and the third digit is the second digit plus 3. What is it? Vadon, thank you so much for explanation. Thank you. So let's go, friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. More answers. I did not receive, we are up to 30 here. I did not even get up to 10. The answers I got is not up to 10. Not up to 10. So let's go. Tell us what you have in mind. Tell us what you have in mind. Tell us what you have in mind. No more answers is coming up. No more answers is popping up. Let's go, friends. Okay. All right, so let's start. Let's solve this together. So if you know you didn't get it and you want to know the answer, or you just said the answer, but you don't really understand it well, this is going to listen. Find the 4-digit number in which the first digit is 1/4 of the last digit. The first digit is 1/4 of the last digit. So we start writing our equations. This is a 4-digit number, so we have A, B, C, D. Okay? So with the first digit, which is our A, is means equal to in mathematics is 1/4 of the last digit. That is 1/4 of D. All right. The second digit, that is our P, is 6 times the first digit. 6 times. That is 6 times the first digit. And the third digit is our C, right? The third digit is the second digit plus 3. That is B plus 3. So we are asked to find what is it. That is, what is the 4-digit number. All right, so permit me to clean part of this so that I can solve. Now, first of all, for A to be a whole number, remember that for A to be a whole number, then there are just few possibilities here. D must be what? D must be a multiple of 4. So D could be 4, it could be 8, it cannot be 12 or 16, because if you say D is 12 or D is 16 or any other number, that means D becomes a 2-digit number. And if D becomes a 2-digit number, then our number in question will no longer be a 4-digit number, it becomes a 5-digit number. So that reduces the possibility of D to just 4 and 8. Okay, we don't have a decimals A, so D must be a multiple of 4. So that way we can say that D is equal to what? Is either 4 or D is equal to 8. Now, if D is equal to 4, then A is equal to 1/4 times 4, right? And 1/4 times 4, 1/4 multiplied by 4, this will remove this, we have 1. So that means A becomes 1. When D is equal to 4, A is equal to 1. Now, when D is equal to 8, okay, when D is equal to 8, that means we have 1/4 times 8 as our A. A becomes 1/4 times 8. And that makes our A to be 2. So we say that A is either 1 or A is what? 2. Answer. Okay? So having looked at that, let's do it this way then. We are going to get that using the second sentence. Remember that B is equal to 6 multiplied by A. All right? B is equal to 6 multiplied by A. Now, our B is equal to 6 multiplied by 1. That is when A is 1. So B becomes 6. Or B will be equal to 6 multiplied by when A is 2. That means B becomes 12. Now, this cannot be possible. You know why? Because if B becomes a 2-digit number, it will automatically turn our number to be 5-digit number. And that is not what we are told. We are told that this number is a 4-digit number. And for the fact that we've cancelled the possibility of A being 2, that means from here 2 is not possible, right? So that means that our A is 1, our B is 6, our D is 4. Now let's go to C. We are told that C is B plus 3. So C is, what is our B? 6 plus 3. So C is 9. Now, it is time for us to arrange the numbers, all right? So let's arrange the numbers. A is 1, okay? B is 6, C is 9, and D is 4. So that is how they got 1694. That is 1694 as the answer. Okay, now another question. I believe we all learned something new. I believe that. Okay, another question. Another question. Another question. So this one says, a tree doubled in height. A tree doubled in height. A tree doubled in height each year until it reached its maximum height. Until it reached its maximum height. Until it reached its maximum height over the course of 10 years. Over the course of 10 years. All right. Now the question is saying, we are told, how many years did it take for the tree to reach half its maximum size? How many years did it take for the tree to reach half its maximum height? Okay, Jugu, you're welcome. So Jugu says 9. Maybe he's saying that it took the tree 9 years. 9 years, 9 years, 9 years. Okay. Johnny said 5 years. Johnny says 5 years. A tree doubled in height each year until it reached its maximum height over the course of 10 years. How many years did it take for the tree to reach half its maximum height? Half its maximum height. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. A tree doubled a height each year until it reached its maximum height over the course of 10 years. How many years did it take for the tree to reach its maximum height? Half. To reach half its maximum height. Deborah says ChatGPT answer is 9. Benny is saying is 9 as well. Let's go, friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us go, 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 let us go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so North says 9. Benny says 9 as well. You look like you are half your height. That is Benny. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We can do this. I need more answers. I need more answers. I need more answers. A tree doubled in height each year until it reached its maximum height over the course of 10 years. How many years did it take for the tree to reach half its maximum height? Please double click to like the live stream if you love what we are doing. If you don't, you can tell us what we can do to improve. Subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Let's go. I need more answers. We can do this. 7 Cube. 7 Cube, you're welcome. The Abraham, that shows you are new to this live stream. Of course, I will say the answer, but that is after everyone has said their own answers. Okay? That is it. After they have said their own answers. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Benny is saying, what's double of 0? Texas is saying easy. 9 years. Its Redox is saying 54 decades. 54 decades. Okay. 54 decades. Kò sí wàhálà. Kò sí wàhálà. Let's go, friends. What's the answer? Someone said 9 months. Benny, what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Let's go. What's the answer? The 3 betted. That is its result. So let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let's go. A tree doubled in height each year until it reached its maximum height over the course of 10 years. How many years did it take for the tree to reach half its maximum height? So Jojo's is saying 5 years. Hi, you're welcome, Jojo. Thank you for joining us. So let's write in first year be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus blah, 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 blah. Height after 10 years. But in 9 years it was 1022 meters, not exactly half. Height of final answer, to be honest. Do you think it's not everything that you can calculate? Trust me. It's not everything. It's not everything. Yeah, because you are assuming, remember, you are assuming the height to be 2 meters, and the truth remains the height is not 2 meters. The particular height this tree had, when it doubles, is going to give you an answer. Yeah. What if gave birth to a tree, double its height? So answer isn't precisely 9 years, to be honest. Like I said, you are the one that was assuming the height of the tree. The height of the tree you are never told. We were never told the height of the tree. Okay. You are assuming as X. He said let the height in the first year be 2m. Yeah, that is what you said. Let it be 2m and you started with 2. So okay, I understand what you're trying to say, Judy. So then is saying people are overthinking this. It grew half its height every year. So the maximum height was reached at 10 years. So half the maximum height had to be reached at 9 years. Okay, West is saying 9. Judy, you can never tell. Yeah, I'm still saying that some things are logical. It's not everything you get with maths. That is my own opinion. What about Christmas? Can the tree be used as Christmas tree? No. Nameless is saying 9. Don't ever use that tree as Christmas tree. So when he's saying since we are not given what height the tree was to begin with, we will never know. Yeah, maybe. So let's go, friends. This is just a simple logical question. That's something you can just think. You understand? Just think, and you are good to go. You just think, and you are good to go. Make a good thinking, and you are good to go. Okay. Now let's go. Let's go. So I have 9 years. I have 9 years by Lego Max. I have pure water. Is that your name? So the starting height is x. The height increases to a maximum of x bracket 2 to the power of 10. Its redox is saying assume x is the size, x squared 4x, etc. So level mass is saying 9 years. Okay. That is Lego Max saying 9 years. Please double click the live stream if you love what we are doing. Subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified whenever we go live. I understand what people are doing, trying to assume x can be any real value. We're saying x, 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x, 32x is 4x, 128x, 256x, 512x. And this is equal to 1023x meters after 10 years. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then in 9th year, it was 511x meters, which is in half of 1023. I've introduced x to remove the assumptions. X can be any real value. Okay. All right. So Pure water is saying so half the height is 2 to the power of 9. So 9 years. Judy is saying no. All right, now let's answer the question. Let's answer the question. Let's answer the question. How does it increase to 511 after 9 years? It's 512. If you are giving yourself headache, you are giving yourself headache, a tree doubled in height each year until it reached its maximum height over the course of 10 years. How many years did it take for the tree to reach 1/2 its maximum height? Now, it's simple, okay? If it reaches 9 years, at 9th year, the next thing it's supposed to do is to double its size. And if it doubles its size, it's going to reach its maximum height. So it's 9 years. Though I understand what Jugu is trying to say, Jugu is trying to solve this to ensure that he got the answer using mathematics. But sometimes we do things logically, okay? Since we are not told the exact height, okay, you can see that X cannot solve all issues. But logically, this is supposed to happen at the 9th year. This is supposed to happen at the 9th year. All right. Now, the next question says, a woman had 6 eggs. A woman had 6 eggs. Okay. She broke 2. She broke 2. Cooked 2. She broke 2, cooked 2, and ate 2. She broke 2, cooked 2, and ate 2. How many eggs are left? How many eggs are left? How many eggs are left? Let's go. Hey, cut the yarn off, man. Let's go, friends. A woman had 6 eggs. She broke 2, cooked 2, and ate 2. How many do we have? How many eggs are left? Okay, so okay. Okay, the values are absolute heights. So I added up, I think addition isn't required. So Love Vlog says 4. She has 4 eggs left. Boo Boo is saying 4 as well. Hashira is saying information unclear. Joey is saying 4 eggs left because same eggs broken and cooked and eaten. Okay, Francine is saying 4. Boo Boo is saying 4. So Franklin is saying 4. Okay, please, we don't spam. All right, what I mean by spamming is repeating the same thing over and over again. So once you write answer, don't repeat that answer again. But you can gist with everybody in the comments, say everything, but don't repeat something or anything twice. All right, please avoid spamming. So Franklin, Boo Boo, please. Okay, thank you. So Piotr says she can't really eat unbroken eggs, so she cooked and ate the same 2 eggs. Holly, let's see. Only you're welcome is 4 because she broke, cooked, and ate the same 2. Okay, poet is saying 4. Poet, you're welcome. Ashira is saying 3.5. 3.5? How? Please explain to us. So only is saying 2, yeah, understood. I know it's a mistake. So Nubia is saying 4. She broke the 2, cooked the 2, and ate the 2. So that leaves 4. So Rambling is saying 4. Naji is saying 2. Naji is saying Chenzi here. Let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us go, let us go, let us go, let us go. So I have 4 by Rambling, and Naji is saying 4 as well. Ashura is saying hi, hello, you are welcome. Jensi is saying 4. AOT is saying 4. AOT, you're welcome. My friend is saying 2. A woman had 6 eggs. She broke 2, cooked 2, and ate 2. How many eggs are left? 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 Lasagna. Actually, I say nil. No eggs was left. No egg was left, according to him. No egg was left. I should leave there. No egg was left. No egg was left. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go. Okay. I think we've all said what we have in mind. Or do we still have anything to say? Let's say. Let's go. Let's go. So Ronnie is saying 4. Scotch is saying 4 left. LT is saying actual answer is 0, 2, or 4. 3 possible answers. Okay, please tell us how. LT, please tell us how that is possible. Tell us how that is. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Please tell us how. LT, I'm waiting for your answer. How? So Zube is saying 4x. Tell us how. How is it 0, 2, or 4? The woman had 6 eggs, none left. That is Hashira. Hashira is saying the woman had 6 eggs, none left. Fabio, you're welcome. So Fabio is saying 6 minus 2 broken and cooked to eat resulted in 4 left. 4 was 2 fried. 4 left. Okay. LOT is saying you can break all C6. So 0 left. No, but they said the woman broke two. Yes, they told us that they broke two. The woman broke two. It was stated you can break 4 eggs. So 2 left. No. That's no, we are not assuming anything. We are told basically that she broke 2 eggs. All right. So no bed, no problem. So wrong, Ashira. So Fabia is saying for us to fry later. She broke it for us to fry later. Okay. All right. Kò sí wàhálà. Kò sí wàhálà. Wàhálà. Kò sí wàhálà. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. So let's go. Let's go. Let us go. All right. Any more answers? A woman broke C6. A woman had C6. Okay. She broke 2, cooked 2, and ate 2. How many eggs are left? So AOT is saying the text only implies at least 2 eggs. No, it didn't say at least, it said she broke 2. So it broke 2. Okay, that is what I think anyway. So James says 4, Asha says 4, Monica is saying the same 4. Shenzi says 4, Maria says 0. Okay, Fabio is saying 0 as well. Okay. Fabio is writing it for us. Fabio is writing it for us. Let's go. Double click to like our live stream. Thank you so much. That is if you love what we are doing. If you don't tell us how we can improve, then ensure, the most important thing is that ensure that you subscribe. Yes, so that when we go live, you'll be notified. Because I don't have specific time when I go live. I don't. So ensure that you subscribe so that anytime I go live, you will be notified. So I have 2 by Maria. Maria says 2. It say, yeah, she broke 2, but what if she cooked another 2 eggs she didn't break? Then 2 eggs left. That is true. Okay, but the truth remains that they said she broke 2. You now say, what if she cooked the 2 eggs that she did not break? The whole thing is this. Now, I have, she broke and cooked and ate the same 2 eggs. Was it chicken eggs or well, what? Fabi, I don't know. Answer is 4 according to Raptor Gaming. Fabio is saying she would still be hungry. If she's hungry, she should make sure she cook another egg. Can it saying 4? Jess is saying 4. Okay. So we have Jess is saying 4 as well. Jessie is saying 4. Not boiled, it's cooked. Not boiled, it's cooked. Okay. That is okay. Dun 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 dun. Let's go, friends. Let's go. Okay. Now this is the honest truth about this. This is the honest truth about this. Now we are told that she cooked two eggs, right? She broke two. She broke two eggs, cooked two, and ate two. It's simple. You cannot eat an egg you did not break, right? You cannot eat raw egg. And you cannot eat raw egg that you did not cook. Okay? Yeah, except if you want to boil the egg, then you can boil it with its shell. But they say she broke two, cooked two, and ate two. So definitely it's talking about the same two eggs that she broke and cooked. That leaves us with four eggs. Okay, that is it. Though I appreciate all the assumptions and smart analysis that we all rendered. Okay, all right. The true question is what came first, then chicken or the egg? I used to ask that question until today I've not gotten the answer. So Fabio is saying the egg comes after the chicken has laid it. I think the egg comes after the chicken has laid it. Now that particular chicken that laid the chicken that laid the egg, where did it come from? The chicken that laid the egg, where did it come from? Okay. I don't know if we should even put up the question and debate about it. Now, this is another question. This question says, someone is asking, egg and chicken, which one came first? Between egg and chicken, which one came first? Okay, that is the question. Between egg and chicken, which one came first? Okay, now this says if you see if you see M, you are a genius. If you see M, you are a genius. Okay. If you see M, you are a genius. So let's go. If you see M, you are a genius. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Can you see M? Can you see M? That is the question. Can you see M? Can you see M? They say if you see M, you're a genius. So can you see M? Can you see M? Can you see M? So let's go. Can you see M? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Pam pam pam. Can you see M? Can you see M? Can you see M? Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. So let's go. Can you see M? Can you see M? Can you see M? Can you see M? So let's go, friends. If you see M, you are a genius. So there is a M. I see M in the statement itself. M is a math. Okay. M is in math. So Raptor is saying I see two M. In fact, I see two M's in the board. Yes, I can see two M's. Okay. Lodemora is saying yes, math and M. Yes, I see M. Your hair looks like an M. I'm double genius. I saw two M's. Hello, Dilepi, I'm here. I am here. I see 3M on my screen, the extra M in your username. Wahala Provax. I don't see any. Fabio is saying he cannot see anyone. Let's go, friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let us go. The M is on word math puzzle. Okay. The M is on. People are trying. Seriously. You are geniuses. You are all geniuses. So if you see M, you are a genius. And I have some alphabets written down. So can you see M? Can you see M? Can you see M? Can you see M? Okay. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, I wrote the M. Where did I write it? Where did I write it? If you see M, you are a genius. Fabio is still looking. You are still searching for the M, Fabio. You are still searching for the M. You are still searching for the M. Let us go, let us go, let us go, let us go. Okay, now let's get this done with and go to another question. Okay, see the M we are talking about, and then coincidentally, and this game that told us this one, my mind did not even go there. Coincidentally, we have another M in math. So that means there are two M's here, and you guys got it right. Someone said three M's at JJ Math class. That is in my username according to Jugu. But let's just say, let's leave that username because they are not written. It's not written. It's just on my username. Okay. So we have two M's on the board, this and that. There is no M here at all. There is no M here. Okay, now Okay, Daham made a good point. Let me see what Daham said. What did Daham say? What did Daham say? Sorry, I cannot see the person's statement. I would have loved to see what he said that you uploaded him off. Okay, now the next question. The next question. Now this question says, okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now this says Monday is 617, 617. Tuesday is 729. Then what is Sunday? What is Sunday? Monday is 617. Tuesday is 729. Now what is Sunday? I have 505. Chelsea is asking how. Just above my statement, 13 letters on board. So Fabio is Fabio is searching. Okay, now Chelsea is saying how. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So let's go. Let's go. Okay. Now the question is saying, well, the question isn't clear. Us, it's next Sunday or the previous Sunday. I have 545. I have 1287. I have a Sunday. The answer is let's go, let's go. Thank God, Eze. You are welcome. Thank you for joining us again. Thank you for joining us again. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Monday has, that is Jugu trying to explain. So it goes on only for a week. Jugu is saying 606 stroke 6713. All right. Okay. I don't know. I give up. You don't know? 505 isn't the answer. 606 stroke 6713 is possible. Fabio is saying 5 times 112 and 617. Okay. So if Monday is 617 and Tuesday is 729, now what is it's increasingly by 112. So Fabio is saying 1079. Okay. Let's go. And I have 1179 by Jugu. Is that your final answer? Is that your final answer, Jugu? Then we have 12719 by Benny. Then 5979 VU 5971 says it's 1289. 1289. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I have 1177 by Fabio. Okay. 1177 by Fabio. Sunday is 505. That is by Pragadeshi. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. The question isn't clear. Which Sunday? Just the next Sunday, no? The first Sunday. The first Sunday. The first Sunday. Let's go. Okay. All right. I have arithmetic progression by Ashwin. Okay. 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 All right. Now let's do this together, friends. Juby is saying 6713. Do you know the truth? The truth is I've not even looked at this and see how they are doing it. Okay, Fabio says 5050 or 11771. Excuse me. Okay, now let me look at it. The truth remains I've not looked at it. Let me see. Let me look at it first. Okay. So I have Monday. From what I'm seeing here, Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. And it is the first day of the week according to the puzzle. All right. It is the first day of the week according to the puzzle. So that's why you have 1. And then when you add 6 to 1, you get 7. Okay. Then Tuesday has 7 letters. It has 7 letters, which is why we have 7 here. And we have, this is the second day of the week. If you add 7 to 2, you have 9. Now let's talk of Sunday. So Sunday should be the 7th day, right? It should be the 7th day. So, and it has 6 letters. So according to the puzzle, according to the puzzle, it is the 7th day. And then if you add 6 to 7, you will get 13. So I think this should be the answer. 6713. 6713. So that is it, friends. 6713, exactly. 6 letters and 1 day of the week. So add 6 plus 1, 7. Similarity Tuesday, Sunday 671. Is it 1 4? 1 3? Is 1 3? Yeah. Okay. Now the next question is somehow logical. It is logical. So you need to look at it very well to get it. So we have circles. We have circles, we have triangle, and we have circles again. We have this, we have that, we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. Okay. Um, we have this here, and we have another this here. We have a pointing arrow, and we have 0 here. Okay, so here we have 0, we have this, and we have 0, 0. Now this is the question. The question says, if the zeros are numbers, if the zeros are numbers, what are the arrows and the triangle and the square? If the zeros are numbers, what do those ones represent? What are they? If zeros are numbers, you need to understand what that is actually saying, or what is that all about. Okay, what is that all about? Okay, so let's go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. I'm waiting for your answers. Waiting. I'm waiting for your answers. I'm waiting for your answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. Okay. So what type of mass is this? Sorry, I'm slow. It's mass now. Okay. Let me start with those that are saying that have gotten the answer. What job interview can I use this for? Don't worry, until you jam it one day, Eze, you will definitely know. If you want to be her assistant, the arrows are M's. They are M's. Okay. Okay. So, Dr. Strange, this doesn't make any sense. The ancient one, not everything does. Not everything has to. That Monday question takes me to this Doctor Strange 2016 movie quote. As well. Ferrier is saying Bayard Jennings. Mathematical operators, what are they? Okay, if they are mathematical operators, what do you think they are? Okay, Benny is saying I solved it. It says there are no M's here. This one did not say you should find M, or am I reading backwards? Let me go front. ah. Okay. Okay, Dahama said something. Let's keep trying. This is actually I would say it's easy, but it's tricky. It's easy, but just tricky. Yes. So let's go. Let us 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 go. Let's 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 go. I need more suggestions. Okay, someone is asking, what do you mean? Feloske, not me. Fabio. Okay. All right, Braga, good night. Thank you for joining us. I mean, we are feelings and jiggle stars. Yeah, you too, Pragadash. You too. So let's go. Triangle is equal to arrow down is less than, arrow up is greater than, square is plus. Triangle is equal sign. Okay, that is Fabio. Introducing main character, Jugu. Oh, arrows are sequence, triangles are whole, and square are problems. That is VUE 5979. So are all the circles same numbers? That is Jugu saying. Are all the circles same numbers? Yeah, they are. They are. Do we have to explain it? Explain if it's addition. Let's try, friends. Let's go. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Same numbers. Oh, triangles are women, squares are men. The arrows are confusion of the highest. Benya is very funny. So Benya is saying triangles are women, squares are men. The arrows are confusion of the highest order. Benya, you're speaking like a Nigerian, and I have this belief you're a Nigerian. Because we used to say of the highest order, that is our language. So Benya, where are you from? So all is well. He said I should explain the question. Okay. You can see what I drew on the board. Then the question say if the circles are numbers, okay? If the circles are numbers, what are the arrows, the triangle, and the square? What are they? Squares represent times. Okay, let's go. That is Pinky. VU says, I can't do this. You can. Never say never. You can, you can. Jugi is saying nope. Pink is saying triangles represent equal to squares represent multiplication. Can you redo this with fruits? You cannot redo it with fruits. Fruit ninja. Do you have to explain if it is addition? Yeah. No, don't explain how you got it. Just tell us what they are so that others will think. Just tell us what they are so that others will think. Let us go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Jugu and Chenzi. Chenzi, what of your friends? Fabio is saying, yeah, Ninja just cut everything in half. So if the zeros are numbers, what are the arrows, the triangles, and the square? Anyway, it's of no use. I don't even know what they are. Hence, I cannot explain. So, Jency, what of your friend, Arishi? She's not here. Where did she go to? Yeah, Jency, I said, I was asking about your friend. I was asking after your friend. They are furious. Who and who are furious? Okay, they are functions according to Daham. Okay, what type of functions? Please explain more. Yes, yes, Chenzi. How is she? She didn't join us. Is she busy? I gotta go. Have fun and have a great one. All right, Fabio, thank you for joining us again. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye. Yeah. So Daham is saying triangle equals, okay. She's probably asleep, snoring, thinking about her Delulu moments. I got those Chelsea. It's well, don't worry. Then sorry I asked you. I'm the one that looks for your trouble. So Jugi is saying figure one, two teams fighting. Figure two, one down in team one, two alive in team two. Figure three, two alive in team one down in team two. Final figure fight between two members of team one, team two. And Jesus. Jugu, what are you writing? How does this concern what we have on the board? Jugu, how is this related to what we have? Chase is saying down arrow means knockout. Down arrow means knockout. Okay. Well, this is really interesting. Seriously. Up arrow means rising up of the fighters. God. Oh God, though, you guys are very funny. So I'm about to say what this is. Double tap to like our live stream. Okay. Please double tap to like the live stream. Ensure this is the most important. Ensure that you subscribe so that anytime I go live, you will be notified. There is no way you'll be notified if you do not subscribe. Okay, so that I don't miss our videos. Yeah. All right. Then before I answer it, if you know you have something to say before I spill the beans, let me know. Okay. This seems to be the undeciphered script of the Egyptian civilization. Donnie said hi. Hello, Donnie. You're welcome. Chase your beg. I don't want to laugh. Leave Arushi alone. So the ham is saying triangle is equal signs, fair square is plus. Okay. Now, let's do this together. If you know you have anything to say, you have to say it now. I'll tell her if she joins us. I'll tell her if she joins us. Donnie says, I love what I see. Thank you. Julie is saying, so you mean 2 + 2 equals 22. Oh. I got to. All right. So Jugu, your final answer before we say what it is. If the zeros are numbers, what are these? Okay. You have no idea, Jugu. Can I get to know you better? Oh, are you coming to me, Donnie? Oh, what? When you said you love what you see, you were referring to me. Chenzi, what is your final answer? Okay, see, you can replace, let me say this, you can replace the zeros with fruits. Yeah, you can replace the zeros with fruits. Let's go. You can replace the zeros with fruits, the same type of fruit, because I think that will make sense more. Replace the zeros with the same type of fruits. Okay, because Jugu made a point, and that point made sense. It made a lot of sense. Though this is a puzzle anyway. This is a puzzle. Okay? This is a puzzle. This is a puzzle. Okay, there is nothing like that. Nothing like that. this is still okay. If the zeros are numbers, what are the arrows, the triangle, and the square? I think it's still okay like that. I don't want to get confused. No, just leave it the way it is. I have another thing I just reasoned. Okay, because Jugu is the one that made mistake with his analysis. So let me not make mistake. Let me not make mistake with him. Variety of fruits. No, the same fruits. I'm older than enough to talk to females. So let's go, friends. Let's go, friends. So Jugi is saying that triangle is a mirror. That triangle is a mirror. I like the way Jugu thinks. That is the truth. But let's see this as a puzzle. Jugu, let's see this as a puzzle. All right. Let's see this as a puzzle so that we can do it and get done with it. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, I'm doing that now. Jugu, now this is the answer. This is equal to, because this and this should be equal to this and this. They are the same thing, right? All right. If we have one of this here and we have two of this here, it means that this arrow means less than. Okay? And if we have two of this here and one on one side, that means this is greater than. Now, if we have one here and we add them, okay, we bring them together, we are going to have equal to here and we have to the other side. So let's say we have, that is where I was skeptical about the numbers. Yes, because Jugu said, and this is where he said it. So if we call these numbers, let's assume this is 2 and this is another 2. Note that this is not equal to 22. And that particular statement made a lot of sense. That is the honest truth. But we keep seeing this as a math puzzle. Okay? So let's keep seeing it as a math puzzle. And this is the only way this will make sense. So our triangle is equal sign. The down arrow is less than, the up arrow is greater than, the square is addition, and the triangle is equal to. All right. Yeah, that is it. Now let's do another thing. Let's do another question. Let's do another question. Now this question says, another one. So we have a triangle squared is equal to, we have a square, okay, and we have, what is this? Let's call it a kite. We have a kite. Then we have the same kite squared is equal to, and we have circle, and we have kite again. So what does each of these shapes represent? What number do they represent? So you are going to find a way to put a number here, square the number, and you're going to get this and that, okay? And if you, whatever you have here should be equal to this and this. So what are they? Let's go. One. Let's go. Neil Eric, hi. Thank you for joining us again today. Neil Eric, you're welcome. So Imini, hello, sweetheart, you're welcome. Let's go, friends. Let us go. Let's 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 go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Go, 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 go. Let's go. So take a look at this and think through. Each of those, what number do they represent? I think this thing I wrote is small so that more persons can see it. This. What numbers do they represent? Let me write this bigger. Let me write that bigger. That is the question. What number do they represent? What number do they represent? Shoot though. Or maybe it's calculated. Or maybe it's calculated. Inside. What numbers do they represent? So let's go. Let's go. The square and kite in multiplication. No, they represent different numbers. A two-digit number. A two-digit number. Okay, Daham is saying triangle, 4 square, 1 kite, 6. Triangle is 4. Okay, kite is 6. Circle is 3. Okay. Circle is 3, kite is 6. Triangle is 4. Okay. Now what of two-digit number for every shape? No, not for every shape. Not for every shape. Square is 1. So what numbers do they represent? 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 Let's go. Let us go. Vadon, are you still here or you have left? I've not seen your answer for a while. I've not seen your answer for a while. Okay. Chelsea is saying that he is the first to tell and maybe the first to fail. Are you scared of failing? You shouldn't be scared to fail. What you should be scared of is staying at a particular position. That is when you fail, when you fall, you need to get up, learn something and move on. Yeah, so you shouldn't be scared. So Julie is saying credit, Chenzi, and partially me because I solved it independently. So this time around, Julie, you copied Chenzi. Wow, nice one. Nice one. So Neil is saying that circle is 1. Julie is saying that Chenzi said Julie, take the credit all for yourself. Let's go. This is return help for sharing your answers with me. So let's go. Dan is saying, okay then, so the question is saying, let's go. Let's go, friends. What numbers do they represent? Chelsea is saying my family is gonna be disappointed if I fail. Okay. But the truth remains that we are all human beings, and at one point in time, we must fail. That is why we are human beings. We are not God, right? Thought I got a new nickname. New nickname, how? Four squared. All is well. What are you saying? I don't understand. What point are you trying to make? What point are you trying to make? All is well. What point? He typed Shenzhen. Okay. Nice one. 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 So let's go. Let's go, friends. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. If I say he, it means Jugu. I have another solution. Kite equals 1. Circle equals 0. Triangle 9. And square 8. Triangle 9. Square 8. Okay, we are going to look into yours and see how. Finally, I can feel not guilty. I have another solution. Kite is 1. Circle is 0. Triangle is 9. Are you sure that will work? Okay, we are going to look into that and see. Jugu and Chelsea, I was like, I don't want to laugh too much. Do we have more answers to this? Do we have more answers to this? Please, if you do, drop for us to see. Chelsea, we have, most of us got a particular answer. Then Jugu has added more to it, making it 2. I will still check that out and see if it is true. No way. There must be a problem. Okay, New Eric, what are you saying? New Eric, which problem? Chelsea saying, I beg. What is the answer? Do we have another possibility? There must be other possibilities. That is the honest truth, right? There must be other possibilities. That is the honest truth. Okay. I have another person say. Another person is saying that triangle is 4, square is 1, diamond is 6, circle is 3. Okay, they've said that already. I'm looking for new answers. You can't find an answer new. All right. Was that Olivier Rodrigo's song? Which song? No song is playing here. All right, now let's go. Our triangle is 4, right? Our square is 1 because 4 squared is 16. That means you are going to replace this with 6 each, and 6 squared will give us 36. So it means that our triangle is 4, our square is 1, our kite is 6, and our circle is 3. Now, Jugu, yours, is that correct? That second answer you provided, is that correct? Okay, so let me see if that is correct. Now, let's try. Now, according to Jugu, it says kite is 1. Okay, let's see. Kite is 1. So replace all of them with 1, right? And circle is 0. Circle is 0. Triangle is 9. Triangle is 9. and square is 8. Okay, let's see if this is true. 9 squared is 81 and 1 squared is 0, 1. That also makes sense. Yeah, but that also makes sense. That is true, but don't you think if this were to be a one-digit number, then there won't be need for this circle? Jugu. Yeah. So don't you think that if they expected the answer to be a digit number, then they wouldn't have added circle because 0 is 0, right? But you did an amazing job. Yeah, I must say, you did an amazing job. Okay, now another question. Another question. Another question. And this question says, how many times does the number 5 appear between 1 and 100? How many times does the number, how many times does the number 5 appear between 1 and 100? Between 1 and 100. How many times? Okay, let's go. How many times does the number 5 appear between 1 and 100? Julie is saying 19. Julie is saying the answer is 19. Julie says the answer is 19. Julie says the answer is 19. Let's go. Let's go. How many? Okay, so I have 20 by Caramel. I have 19 by 36 Harry. All is well said 20. Highlander, you're welcome. Highlander says it's 19. Woody says 19. Down says, all right, thank you, Deham. Thank you so much for joining us, okay? Shenzi is saying 20. Juby is saying add the 1 to 19. Karama is saying 20. Karama is saying 20 as well. So how many? 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 So let's go, friends. We can do this. 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 Okay. So I have 10 times by Neil. Neil says 10 times. Woody is saying it depends if I'm counting on my head. If you're counting on your head, okay. Add the double 5 in 55, Jugu. That is Chenzi. So Chenzi is also saying so 20. Daham is saying 20. Oh, Daham, you're still with us. Islander says good afternoon from Greece. All right, good afternoon. I'm excited to have you here. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I did. I miscalculated. Okay. Okay, so Neil says 11 times. That time is saying 25. 25. Okay. Chance is saying 11. So let's go. Friends. Let's go. I have 19 times by numeric. Juby is saying, so from 50 to 59 we have. Okay, so New is saying 19. All is well is saying 20. Call Deep. I think this is the first time I'm seeing this name. Please subscribe to our channel. You are highly welcome. Okay, he says the answer is 10. He's saying the answer is 10. Saying the answer is 10. Saying the answer is 10. More answers, please. Okay, Chelsea is saying, no, I said 20. I repeated someone else's answer because they told the inquiry. Yeah, I know, because I know it was a question. I know it was a question. Let's go, friends. I have 20 by Tata. Tata, you're welcome. Chelsea says, no more answers, only correct answer 20. James is saying 11. Nerik is saying 19. This simply proves with inductive reasoning. It's n divided by 10 plus 1. So never trust. Juby is saying 20 is the correct answer, and that was almost correct but wrong. Amma is saying 11. Asa is saying 11. Kero is saying n over 4, n over 10 plus 1. Thank you for joining us, Kero. Asa, thank you for joining us. Ame, thank you for joining us. So Emily is saying 11. Juby is saying define n. James Erwin is saying, I forgot the 50s. 19 is correct. So Chelsea is saying, if you change it to 20 now, you are correct. All is well is saying, are you a teacher? What do you think, my friends? What do you think, my friends? Okay, what do you think? So let us go. 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 This is actually not easy. It's easy, but if you're not careful, it's tricky. That's the honest truth. Okay, that's the honest truth. So Asa is saying is 11. Chelsea is trying to explain something. He's gonna count the rest, my dear. Ikeda is saying 19. Emily is saying 20. Julie is saying okay, I have 21 by Asa. And James is saying 51, 50, 53. And I have 22 by Asa. So please, Asa, explain to us, how is it 22? Because I'm curious. I want to know. Please tell us how it is 22, because I'm ready to learn if that is true. Okay? I'm ready to learn. Okay? Let's go, friends. Explain. I'm eager to learn, please. So Jubu is saying, okay, Asa is saying now, not 22. Jubu is saying 20. Kami is saying 20 as well. Shenzi is saying 20. Asa is saying I encountered the 55 twice. Okay. So Asa is saying I overcounted 55 twice. All right, noted. So your final answer now is what? Asa, tell us your final answer. Tell us your final answer. We all learn every day, so don't be shy to do this thing. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. If it's a tricky question, then it is only one. That is Eric. Eric Garant. Then Mike Davis saying 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, 51 to 59. And so finally, Mike, what's the final answer? It's not supposed to be a tricky question. Yeah, but it's tricky in a way. If you check it, it's tricky because some persons will not calculate some numbers. Yeah, some persons will not calculate some numbers. So I have I think 18, that is Asa. Asa, you need to calculate very well. So Nia is saying from 50 to 60 we have 11.5. Asa saying 19. Charlotte is saying 12. Asa is saying 19 again, I think. Okay, Slim Fat Boy. Thank you for joining us again today. So Slim Fat Boy says 19. Don't tell me I'm wrong 20 times. That is crazy. So Eden is saying 1. Sandy is saying 10. Sandy, you're welcome. So Charlotte is saying, wait, it's 20. So Charlotte, are you sure? Are you sure it's 20? Are you sure it's 20? Are you sure it's 20? I'm scared. What if I fail? What if you fail? I've told you not to be scared of failure. It's part of growth. Failure is part of growth. Even though we don't pray to fail, but the truth remains that it is part of growth. Okay? So let's go, friends. Let's go. Double click to like our live stream. The most important thing is for you to subscribe yet, because I don't go live at a particular time. I go live anytime I wish or anytime I can. So for you to join my live stream, you need to subscribe so that you'll be notified anytime I go live. Okay? All right. 20, if not a tricky question. Okay. So Chelo is, James is saying 19 only. Chelo is saying 20. Okay. Okay. How many times does number 5 appear between 1 and 100? Okay, you are thinking, Chelo, you are thinking, you're not sure. You are not sure? So has everyone said his or her own answer? Okay, Sandy said it's 12. James is asking them to write out. Slim Fat Boy says 20. Okay, so you've changed your mind. Asa is trying to explain. Asa is saying 11 numbers between 50 and 60 plus 9. Numbers with 5 in the ones column. Okay. I'm gonna ask for help. Answer is saying 20. Dean is saying 21. Welcome, Dean. Eric Gallant is saying 5 only appears one time between 1 and 100. You don't count 15 or 25 or 35 and so on. That is Eric. Noah says 10 times, bro. Eric just confused me. Please double click to like my live stream if you actually love what I'm doing. If you don't, please tell us how to improve on the comments. Then ensure that you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. Okay? Yeah. Yes, this is fun, seriously. All is well said, I should answer. Okay, I will. All right. 10 times only common. All right. So, oh no, I get correct answer once in a blue moon. I don't want to lose it. Okay. So I have 20 by Dean. 20 by Dean. Okay, let's do this together. Let's do this together. Let's do this together. Now, um, first things first. First things first. How many times does the number 5 appear between 1 and 100? Now, if you look at this, we have 5, we have 15, we have 25, 35, we have 45, we have 55. Okay, once you get 45, we have 50. Then we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. We have 57, 58, and 59 before we get to 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see 55 has 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we actually have 20. Yeah, it's so it's 20. Okay, so it's 20 numbers. That is what we have. 25s between 1 and 100. People always forget that there are double 5 in 55. Then some forget entirely the whole of 51 to 59 and only remember maybe 55 or so. So that is it. That is it. That is it. So, Chenzi, you are correct. All right. Now, another question. Another question. Another question. Now, this question says, how many squares are there in this picture? So you have a picture. This is what I use for my thumbnail. So I have this belief. Please note that this is what a freehand sketch. But just know that anything, all the things you are seeing here, they are all squares, okay? So I cannot get the dimension correctly with freehand sketch. So we are asked how many squares? How many squares? How many squares can you see? So let's go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. How many squares? How many squares? No, it's not 20. It's only one time. You are wrong. Okay, Eric. Remember, just read the question again. Read the question again. Okay, let's go. You will say 18. You could try again. 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 equals 18. Try. Are you sure it's 18? I have 18 by Avin. And I have 13 by Sandy. I have 17 by Asa. You is saying 19. You say 19. SVS says it's 18. Asa says 18. SVS said no. Answer is 19. Final. That is Jugu. SBS is saying 19 as well. So now say 10 squares. Chenzi is saying 15. Sandy said 13. Nope, it's 19. Final answer. Game over. According to Jugu. According to Jugu. Okay, so we have 10 squares in total according to Noah. SVS says 19, also says 19, Judy said no, it's 19. So Emily is saying 19, Asa is saying 19 as well. Avin is saying 19. Eric saying you should the number 5 and 15 is not the number 5 and so on. Yeah, Gallant, I understand what you're trying to say. Okay, but the number 5 is in 15. I don't know how to explain this. Assuming you are asked how many times can you subtract 5 from maybe 25, that is when you say once. Okay, you can only subtract 5 from 25 once, because once you subtract 5 from 25, you are not left with 20. So you can, when you subtract 5 from 20, you are no longer subtracting it from 5. So that is when you say your answer is 1. Okay. All right. Mountain says it's 12. Noah says it's 19. Mountain is saying 13. James is saying 19. Vadon, I was asking after you, where have you been? Where have you been? And I was like, oh, Vadon left without telling us bye. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back. So, Jugi, James is saying 18. Yeah, all is well is saying 19. Okay, no problem, Vadon, no problem. All is well, saying is 19. Square is not rectangle, right? Well, Vadon, because this is a freehand sketch, I said all the things you see there, all of them are squares, please. But it's a freehand sketch, there is no way I would get squares with freehand sketch. Okay, let's go. Okay. So now it's saying is Noah is saying that the answer is, let me see, final answer 19. Jugu is saying 19 as well. Chase is saying yes, I did. Slim Fat Boy said 10. 10 squares. Small squares plus equals 4 plus 1 whole 5. Bigger grid 6 small plus 4 medium plus 1 large. So is that board a square? No, the board is not a square. 9 small actually. That is Jugu trying to explain. SBS is laughing. Hello, my dementia friends. Mehdi! Mehdi, where have you been? It's been days. Days. You've not joined us for days now. Where have you been? Mehdi, where have you been? If you travel, then sure you give us cake that you brought for us from your travel. Don't come back here without anything. So, Rudis is 15. Rudis is 15. Chenzi saying, okay, Chenzi is talking to Medin. Urum is saying 18. I don't know. We are going to count it ourselves and see the answer. So, Vihut, sorry, I can't pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. But I know you know who I'm talking about. So, Rashi Suka, let me call that. I think that one is better for me. So, Raisuka says it's 15. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. Arum is saying 19. Arum, you are welcome. Okay. James is saying, okay, so Slim Fat Boy is saying 11 squares. Pardon is saying 14 or 18. Maybe, maybe he's saying he couldn't remember where he was. I beg, I don't want to laugh. So now he's saying 19, easy. So Ara is saying should be 19. Prudence is saying it's 15. James is saying 19. Okay, Rudy is saying 19 now. I've been counting for 10th time now. I got 19. That is Chenzi. I see 19 too. Maybe is your dementia any better? I don't think so. It's not better now. For him to say he don't know where he was. So how come? How come? Let me count this and be sure of the answer first. Mm-mm. Okay, I've counted it already. All right. So 11 also possible. So Aaron is saying it cannot be more than 19 unless one is a rectangle. No, all are squares. All are squares. All right. All are squares, please. All are squares. Okay. So I want to make that clear so that we have the same answer. Okay. So we have 11 also possible by all as well. Mehdi is saying yes, it got better. It did not get any better. Mehdi. So where did you go? You've forgotten where you went to. That means your dementia did not get better. So Jugo is saying the answer is 19. So Rudy is saying or 2. Okay. I barely got 19, so there's not more than 19 in the final try. Oh, are all of these true squares? Yes, this is a freehand sketch. And that is why I said, please, all of them are squares. All right. So James says 18. Vadon is saying 14 or 19, depending on elongated rectangle of inside square. All are squares. Okay. So Rudy is saying it's 19 then. Okay. The boss is mad, said it's 21. Arumi says I was the first to get 19. Let's go. Let me check the first person to get 19. And how sure are you the answer is 19 to start with? How sure are you the answer is 19 to start with? How sure are you? Let's go, friends. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Barry Leon says 19. Barry, you left. Where have you been? Thank you for coming back. So Barry says 19. Jen is saying 18. Barry is saying 9 normal squares. But then he's saying forget the elongated stuff. I just saw that squares. So 19. Yes, everything should be 19. Should be squares. Sorry. How can you get 18? Are you not counting the outside? That is Rudy. Mehdi is saying you are my best friend. So you remember Shenzi, right? So Mehdi, you remember Shenzi, but you don't remember me. Okay, no problem. Rudy is saying it's 19 all day. All is well said is 12. There is saying 19. Yep. What if it's secretly 20 if we add the word square? No, let's not add the word square. Just how many squares can you see on the diagram? Let's not add the word square. Yeah, exactly. That is very smart move. All right, by Berry. So we have Wilma Londeberg says it's 9 squares. We're saying it's 9. So you can see 9 squares. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I remember you as the best teacher in the world. Thank you. So you remember me, Mehdi. That means you actually got better. True, true. Uh, so now he's saying, dang, what is this engine? He's broken the language barrier. I remember you as best. Okay, thank you, Mehdi. Overthinking because of the pattern of some questions. Berry is saying, is it dumb of me to ask if the whiteboard is a square? No, the whiteboard is not a square, Berry. The whiteboard is obviously not a square. You can see it's a rectangle. So I have 14 by Lacoste. I have 14. I have 12 by Malfi. Aura, thank you for joining us, Malfi. Thank you for joining us. Please remember to double click to like our live stream. That is if you love what we are doing. All right. Then subscribe to the channel. That is the only way you'll be notified anytime I go live, so that you don't miss our live stream ever, because you have a lot to learn. We have a lot to learn from each other. Okay, so all is well, I should answer, and I think I should. This has taken longer than it should. So Danger, thank you for joining. Says it's 10. With this, it's 19 squares in 4 layers. 19 squares in 4 layers. Okay. Now let's answer this together. So, like I said, saying 15. If you know we will still have some person, you want us to wait for you to answer the question, you can as well tell us, we'll wait for you. Okay? You can tell us, we will wait for you. That is the truth. All right. Okay. Now let's go, friends. The answer, let's go. Or 9 if you exempt those 3 at the end, because they look like rectangles. Yeah, I said that everything they are all squares. Okay, because this is a freehand sketch. So they are all squares. They are all squares. That is what I said, because this is a freehand sketch. Okay. Yeah, they are all squares. So you can now say what you think the answer is. All of them, they are all squares. So Michael is saying 14. Natiko is saying 19. I have 19. Malife, I will say, oh, okay. I have 19. Technically, the 4 upper left aren't squares. Yeah, technically, but I'm saying they are squares. Are your fingernails square shaped? Very. I don't want to have too much. So, if you have answer to drop it now, please, before we say what the answer is. Drop it now before we say what the answer is. So they are all squares. Everything are squares. Because why I'm saying that is because I drew this freehand sketch. If this is not a freehand sketch, then this is what you should do. You should look at the drawing very well to see if the outer one is a rectangle. That is if it's not a freehand sketch like this, because I'm the one that drew it and I'm saying everything, all of them are squares. But sometimes they will draw this, and in order to trick you, the outer one will be a rectangle, but others will be a square. All right, now let's check what this is. Yeah, that is what I want to do now. If everything is a square, does that mean you are a square? So let's go. So we have this as 1, we have this 2, we have 3, we have 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, okay, this is 9. Vadon is saying when we were talking about rectangles, we meant the left side of the inner square, okay, that would not count as square. Yeah, and I said that they are all squares. All right. I said that they are all squares. Okay, so let's go. Now this is 9. Then this one is 10. This is 11. This is 12. Okay. Now the whole of this is 13. Everything now is 13. We are at number 13, right? Yeah, and I believe you are all looking at me. Let's go again. So remember that we counted each and every one of these single. So this is another square. Okay, this is 14. Then from here is another square. I told you everything is square, right? So this is 15. Now similarly, we have this. This is 16. We have this. This is 17. And we have, I think I missed one. It should be 19, if I'm not mistaken. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I repeated 11 twice. You can see that. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13. So plus this is 14. Okay. So now we have 14. So this is 15. This is 16. Then this is 17. This is 18. Then the whole of this is what? 19. Remember that I said that everything are squares. All of them are squares. Okay, so we have 19 squares. Now you can see how. Okay. So let's look for another question. Let's check another question. Now, this question, you need to reason this very well. You need to reason this very well. Please double click to like our live stream if you love what we are doing. Double click, and turn on your notification bell and subscribe so that anytime I go live, you will be notified. Now, this question says, who is Hannah? Who is Hannah? Who is Hannah to me? Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter, who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. Who is Hannah to me if Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother? So that is the question. Okay, so I have some answers. Okay, Slim Fat said he didn't count the notched ones. Okay, let's go. Let's focus on this one now. So, so Beryl is saying I'm Hannah. Beryl is saying I'm Hannah. Rudis is saying low, the notched ones. So Beryl is saying we are all Hannah. You are all Hannah. I'm not Hannah, beg. I'm not Hannah. So Hawk is saying so Juki is saying son, brother, I am a daughter. I am a daughter. So Beryl is saying I gave birth to Hannah. I'm the grandfather. So let's go. Mother-in-law stroke mother. That is Jugu. Jugu is saying mother-in-law stroke mother. Sandy say, got me sister. Yeah. Yeah, I'm left out. Mother-in-law, if dad is speaking, else mother if mom is speaking. Okay, that is Jugo. So I have granddaughter by Nkateko. Granddaughter by Nkateko. Berlium is saying, Hannah's daughter is my child. Right, guys. So, Jugi is saying mother-in-law stroke mother. Accordingly, as POV is dad stroke mother of the daughter, respectively. And how many children do you have? Jugu, Shenzi, are you asking me? So Jugu is saying Hannah is a woman, I suppose. If he is a man, then perhaps father-in-law, stroke, father of dad, mother of the daughter, respectively. Hannah is a woman, of course. So Jax is saying you are Hannah. So Catherine is saying sister. Is saying I was doing so well until now. Okay, so Chenzi is saying, okay, don't ask me. So Kataka is saying she's my sister. Wait, guys, let's think about this right. Hannah's daughter is our child, right? Who is Hannah? Who? Vadon is saying mother-in-law, trust me. He's saying, who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. This is funny. Seriously, yeah. Let's be honest, it is funny. Very is saying, guys, please agree with me. Slim fat boy, please hold your head, I beg. Please hold it together. Let's try harder. Mother or mother-in-law, according to SVS. According to SVS. So let's go. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. So Galaxy the Great, thank you for joining. Say Hannah is Hannah. Hannah is my mother-in-law. That's a butterfly. Yeah, Berry, that is a butterfly. No, that's not a bug. It's a butterfly. So Mr. Aaron is saying wife. It's a moth. But this one is still small. So we cannot say it's a moth, really. Okay, let's go. Yes, it has joined the class. It has joined the class. So let's go. Who is Hannah to me? Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. Watch out, the moth is going to beat you to the ground and take your lunch money. The other is saying mother-in-law. This is okay. You deleted your answer. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let us 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 go. Let's go. I have mother-in-law by Mabulani, mother-in-law by Shenzi as well. Can I use pencil and paper? Yes, use pencil and paper. Mehdi is saying, hello, I'm Hannah. You are Hannah. Okay, the last I checked, you are Mehdi, you are not Hannah. Oh. The last I checked, you are Mehdi, you are not Hannah. Yes, yes, yes. So, let's go, let's go, let's go. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, they say you should answer, please. Hannah is your mom. I've said if you are my subscriber, you would have known the answer by now. Because I always tell you how to remove the distractions, concentrate on the main sentence, replace, and then you get your answer right. Yes, that is the truth. So Mehdi is saying mother because that must mean that you are the daughter since you are your daughter's mother. That is red cat. And Asa is saying Hannah is your mother. Grandmother-in-law by Shazudu. Red cat is saying Hannah is your mom. Okay. Katika is saying answer please. Yeah, of course I will. Okay. So Dakish is saying mother-in-law. Asa is saying Hannah's daughter is my sister. Hannah's daughter is my sister. Okay. Don't worry, Mabulani, I will. Then Berry is saying mother-in-law. And Kato is saying father. Father. Chelsea is saying I should answer. It's not mother-in-law. Why is everyone saying that? Hannah is the mother of our partner, right? I don't know. Mother-in-law or mother in context. So she's our mother-in-law, according to Berry. What do you think is the answer? What do you think is the answer? Mabulani, yeah, of course I will answer, okay? Because my daughter's mother is maybe my wife. Maybe my wife. And I have Chelsea saying red card, what is the answer then? Mother or father, depending on if name is masculine or feminine. Yeah, Hannah is feminine. Hannah is feminine. Okay. So we have SVS. My daughter's mother. So Berry is saying, yeah, red cat. What's the answer? Mother, father, red cat. Okay. Who is Hannah? Okay, that she's saying because see, Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. My daughter's mother is my wife, and Hannah's daughter is my wife. So the relationship is between me and Hannah, mother of my wife. So red cat is saying mother. Our kitchen secret is saying mother. So we have mother as unknown and Hannah is mother. Do you know why I'm yet to say what the answer is? I'm trying to figure out from your own point of view. You get. Do you mind what is talking now? Chimotito me mani eme nwa onye anabata ego. I said mother-in-law according to Is Hannah is Hannah tall or short? Okay, now let's analyze this together. Let's analyze this together. Okay. I'm trying to figure out from your own point of view. Trying to figure out my own point of view. No, 5 foot tall. I have wife by Siva. Berry is saying, Tisha, are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. I was talking to someone. Slim Fat Boy is saying, Hannah is my wife. Hannah is my mother-in-law. According to Dash, Hannah is my dad. Hannah is a woman. Okay, Hannah is a woman. Now Shenzi is saying mother-in-law. Can you guys bring out your reasons? Like, bring out your reasons. Let's analyze this together. Bring out your reasons. Let's analyze it together. Bring out your reasons. Can you do that? Okay, Bernie saying red. How do you keep misgendering Hannah? Hannah is a woman. Okay, first of all, Hannah is a woman. So who is Hannah to me? Who is Hannah to me? Now let me also say me, I'm also a woman, so that we get one single answer. Okay, so I'm also a woman. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother, do you understand? Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. So that is it. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. That is the question. So it's saying auntie. By all is when is saying wife. So now I think everything is clearer. I'm a woman. Me, I'm a woman. So let's have a single answer to this. Okay. What if I'm Hannah? Yeah, I don't know. Sorry guys, I got. So he says Mehdi has a point. What did Mehdi say? We all know the answer is mother-in-law, unless Hannah has dementia and call herself by name. I beg. So red cat is saying hungry. I'm Hannah and red cat is my. So red cat saying yes. If I'm a woman, then Hannah is my mother. Okay, now Hannah is. I'm a woman. I want us to have a single answer to this. I'm a woman. So let's drop our answers, please. So final answer. That is what we are dropping now. All is well is saying wife. All is well is saying wife. Red cat saying I'm a girl. All is well is saying wife. Okay. So answer is saying grandmother-in-law. Okay, I got that. I got that. Thank you for joining. Saying she's my favorite souls like boss. Unknowns who are saying Hannah is my mother. Berlin is saying my transgender child. Okay, so everyone drop your final answer. I've already made it more clearer. I am a woman. Okay, I'm a woman. Hannah is a valuable member of the community. So Lisa is saying daughter. Daughter. Okay, now it's time to say what this is. Okay, let's do it together. Let us do it together. Okay, Vadon dropped a. Vadon is saying, okay, Lisa says daughter. And Vadon is saying, Hannah's daughter, my wife, is my daughter's mother, my wife. So Hannah would be my wife's mother, making her my mother-in-law. Unless my daughter's mother would be me. If I'm a woman, then mom. That is Vadon. Okay. So Krasi is saying me. I got that says mother-in-law. Okay, and I said, please, let's take me to be a woman so that we have a single answer. Then Miss Alicia is saying granddaughter. I don't know what Krasi is saying. So Belly is saying, yeah, answer it. So Krasi is saying self. Sandy is saying Hannah is my grandma. Okay, so finally, let's do Hannah is 6 feet on. Okay, mother-in-law according to Asa. Hannah daughter's name Lisa. Lisa is the person I have baby with, so Hannah is mother-in-law. Okay, Hannah is my mother. Now let's do this together. This has taken a longer time than it should. Now we are going to remove, first of all, we are going to remove the obstacles on the road. That is the first thing we will do. We will remove the obstacles. That is not obstacles anyway, but those things that will distract us or confuse us. That is the first thing we will do. Now let me look at them and remove them first. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is my daughter's mother. Now, every other thing from here above is distracting me. The first thing that will make me understand this whole thing is this last statement. This statement from here is what I'm going to look at now. Now, let's look at that statement together. Okay? So, if we look at them, it says, my daughter's mother. My daughter's mother. Who is my daughter's mother? My daughter will have only one mother in her entire life, right? Yes, my daughter will have only one mother in her entire life, and that is me. Okay? So we are going to replace my daughter's mother with me. Now let us replace it with me. All right? So we now write is me. This is logic. Okay? This is me. Now let's read this again. Yes, let's read this again and see what we have. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is me. I think it's now very clear. Who is Hannah to me? If Hannah's daughter is me. If Hannah's daughter is me, then Hannah is my mother. Simple and short. Hannah is my mother. All right? Hannah is my mother. Who is Hannah to me? So the answer is mother. Hannah is my mother. So this is how you remove the whole confusion. You read through, remove the confusion. So Joe is saying, I got it. Asa is saying, I see the light. Taking you is saying, okay, yes. Please, this is how you do it. This kind of question flies around. Now, let's answer something similar to this again. Let me know if you people will get it right. Jugu, I've not seen your answer for a while. That means you left without telling us. That's not fair. That's not fair. So I have something similar to this. Shall we do it together? This month I've disturbed it. Just fly away. Okay. Now the question, we have a similar question. I told the answer so many times, ma'am. Okay, you are still with us. Yeah, thank you. I want us to answer something similar to that. And I know I have something similar to that here. Yeah, the question is saying, or the question says, where is this question? Where is, okay, here it is. This says, if Teresa's daughter, let me see if you will get this. If Teresa's daughter, is my daughter's mother. If Teresa's daughter is my daughter's mother, then what is my relationship? Then what is my relationship with Teresa? Then what is my relationship with Teresa? Note, me that is talking, okay, is a woman. So take it as a woman, a woman, a woman, a woman. All right. So, okay, Joe says, yes, I love these puzzles. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Jugu, thank you for sticking around. I thought you left without saying bye. I thought you left without telling us bye. So someone said, Teresa is your mother. Teresa is mother-in-law, POV, dad of daughter. So I'm son-in-law, stroke daughter, if POV daughter's mother. Okay, that is Jugu. Jordan is saying I'm her daughter. Yeah, remember that the person in question talking or saying this is a woman. Mother in the POV of a girl, Shenzi. Daughter, mother is the answer. I just saw this puzzle in another life. Okay, that is AK Julius. She's my mother, according to Barry. Unknown Zua says, I am her daughter. Her daughter by Mubarak. Mubarak, thanks for joining. So Optimus says, her daughter, I'm confident. Wow, you are very confident. Okay, we are going to look at it together. Julie is saying pink. Okay, sorry, I can't read that. All is well saying previous answer. What's the answer? The answer is mother. Hannah is my mother. That is the answer. Okay. Red cat is saying something I don't understand. The answer is husband. This guy is saying C. C. Where is C? It's the same question between you but you just changed names. It's not the same question, Joe. It's not the same question. The first one is different from this, trust me. But you gave us this. Yes, Mubarak, I know. What happened to Hannah? We are done with Hannah. Mehdi, Mehdi, we are done with Hannah. So Hannah is my mother. Red cat is Teresa and I'm the daughter's mother. So Saria says grandmother. I have mother by AK Julius. Julie is saying mother Teresa is real famous. Isn't grandmother? This one is who am I to her, not who is she to me. Exactly. Now Joy is saying mother Teresa. Vadon is the mother. Let's go, friends. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Oh, sorry. Let's go. I'm the pet fish. I'm her daughter. She's my mother. That is Shenzi. Oh, I need to sit a bit. Let me sit on a bit. Let me sit down a bit. Okay. So if Teresa's daughter is my daughter's mother, then what is my relationship with Teresa? What is my relationship with Teresa? What is my relationship with Teresa? I'm her daughter, she's my mother. I'm the pet fish, she's my sister, according to Sandy. Barry is saying I'm the car they drive. Ah. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Mehdi is not in this life. No, I think he left. I think he left. Red cat, what are you singing? Red cat, what are you singing? What are you singing? Let's go. This is interesting. Seriously. This is interesting. If Teresa's daughter is my daughter's mother, then what is my relationship with Teresa? Now let's do this together. So let's do this together. Now, if Teresa's daughter is my daughter's mother, what is my relationship with Teresa? So the first thing I will do is to forget this first sentence. That is definitely going to, that one, yes, that is definitely going to confuse me. So that is why I'm removing it first. Now let me focus on the second sentence that is clearer. Now the second sentence says, is my daughter's mother. Is my daughter's mother. Now my daughter's mother is me. All right. So this is similar to what we just did. My daughter's mother is me. So I'm definitely going to replace daughter's mother with me, because my daughter will have only but one mother in her entire life, and that is me. All right. So I'm going to replace this with me. Now let's read the sentences again. If Teresa's daughter is me, then what is my relationship with Teresa? I'm Teresa's daughter. Simple. If Teresa's daughter is me, what is my relationship with Teresa? I'm Teresa's daughter. So my relationship with Teresa is daughter. Simple. Okay. So that is how to remove the ones that will confuse you, and then go ahead and answer it. Right? So that is it for today, my lovely friends. Let me call this thing. Okay, number one person on the rank is Chenzi. Chenzi is the number one person. Chenzi, thank you for sticking around. He's the number one on the rank. Okay, that is Chenzi. Now, Barry is saying one more game. Come on, guys. My daughter's mother can be my wife. Yes, Coco, that is correct. But I said let us leave it as a female. Yes, the person talking as a female. Barry is saying one more. Larry, don't worry. We always do this every day. Join us tomorrow as well. Just ensure that you on your what is it called? Ensure that your notification bell is on and that you subscribe to the channel. All right. So like I was calling before, Chenzi is the first. Let me look at the second person in the rank. Now the second person is Jugu. Jugu, thank you for sticking around. Jugu is the second in rank. Okay. And the third, who took the third position? Let me see. It's like the third. Okay, the third is All Is Well. All Is Well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. And it's another amazing live stream. Okay, Red Cat, don't worry, join us tomorrow again. I've been doing this since today, and I'm really tired. Thank you. Okay, so I love you all. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for joining always. Thank you for making everything enticing. I don't want to start calling all of you, those that really join me every day. Just know that I am grateful and that I love you so much. Okay? All right, take care of yourselves and see you tomorrow. Bye.